I'm back, and what I'm gonna do is I am going to show you the race that I'm gonna put. I'm gonna put this in my pocket. I'm hardly confused. Oh, you can see there. You see? Give me a like. Now you can watch. You see? There. So I'm gonna race now. Look at this car. This car is just so fantastic. Let me turn this on. For 2 seconds. Turn this on. Be so you can hear the engine roaring. Oh shit. Sorry about my language. Sorry about that. Just that. I'm stressed. I've had a hard day. Now look at that beast. Now I think that's one of the best beast cars that I've ever had. Actually, we'll just put you up a bit so you can see it properly. Oh shoot! I just crashed. I'm gonna go back there. Look at these. These cars are sick. It's cool what you can do with them. Unlike all the other GTA 5 or GTAs, you can't modify the cars or anything. In this one, you can modify it. And I'm waiting for GTA 6 to come out. Oh, fly, fly! I'm Superman. Wow. Yay, I made it. Oh shoot. Sorry, bro. I'm trying to park my car here. Don't chase after me. Sorry. Right, that was my car. If you want, I can. Look at that. That is one of my best cars I've ever had. Alright, thank you everyone, and thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please put a like, and I will see you probably tomorrow. Thank you.